good morning once again mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. This is Coach Ernie, your founder of the Lions Group International. Mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, I have a question for you. Are you a rest taker person? Are you a rest taker individual? Mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, if your answer is no, then I can see you are living an average life. Or I can see you are living a boring life, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan. However, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, if your answer is a big yes, then I can see right now you are living an exciting life. You are living a wonderful life. You are living an extraordinary life. You are living a life full of surprises, full of successes, and full also of failures, mga kaibigan. Because mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, being a rest taker, mga kaibigan at mga kababayan, will bring out the best in us, will bring out the best in you. So mga kababayan at mga kaibigan, stay being a rest taker and enjoy your journey of life. Bye for now and God bless.